Hello, I'm Spenta. I live in USDA Zone 7 and today I'm sharing my Ladybanks rose with you. Here it is matured. I purchased this plant 3 years ago and I shared it here on YouTube with you. It was a smaller plant. It was originally for $160. However, I purchased it on sale when it was only for $40 and I placed it in the ground like this is going to grow. I had so much hope that this is going to give me flowers because it reminds me of home. When I was younger, I remember this flower being so fragrant at the backyard of our house, and maybe perhaps subconsciously that is why I'm purchasing these type of plants and trying to see if it makes it in my area. Maybe I'm recreating what it looked like back home, because I also have pomegranate and other plants that are very hard to take care of. So this Ladybanks rose is very pretty. It is nice, and as I can see, it is already grown to maturity. It will be established. It is an established tree. Over here, as you can see, lots of leaves growing. It is a very good aromatic flowering tree that I highly recommend. If you are one that is in love with gardening as much as I am, you can make this last in your area. If you live in USDA Zone 7, all you have to do is mulch this during the winter time, mulch it heavy down at the base and make sure that you've covered it. And voila, after 3 years, it no longer dies in the winter time. The leaves stay on the plant. And I shared this particular plant during the winter time to let you guys see what it looks like. Fortunately, it kept its leaves and it has now matured to full maturity. It is a 5-year plant and full of flowers. Right here, let's see if I can get close to one that you can see. Let's see. They're little. There you go. They're little flowers, but they're tiny but mighty. One of those tiny but mighty flowers, because they're so aromatic and they're all over this plant. So I do recommend them if you live in USDA Zone 7. Do take care of it, mulch it well. It deserves to be fed just like any other plants in your garden every 6 months. And I have fed this with Osmocote for plants. Look at it, beautiful tree with lots of flowers. Again, I'm Spenta. I live in USDA Zone 7. My tree has matured and it's all over the place. I believe that if you are wanting to grow this plant, it will grow very beautifully in our area. Thank you for watching my share. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button and turn on your bell for notifications for my upcoming shares. Again, I'm Spenta and I thank you for watching my share. I wish you happy gardening.